So let's just this. Come on, fishies, I know you want to come here. How about you, my friend? This does have Luck of the Sea. So it shouldn't really be that. It should be kind of common. Yes? No. I'm just gonna get back to my base when it's nighttime. Eat. Come on. A water bottle? Would I need a water bottle? What, to go fishing? Well, I mean to go, oh, I'm getting... Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, get wrecked. 2v1, I'm gonna win. You miss, boy. I use your shield so much. Finally. That's a taste of his own medicine. Hey, you skeleton, are you trying to wreck my cows? Can't even do some damage to me. Oh yeah. Left or right? Million bucks. Oh, zombie. Ugh, I just want to get out of here. Come on. Finally. Yes. Hi, creepy creeper. Guys, what enemies? Yeah. I really need to get back to my base. To the base we go. Don't run into my cows. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can be the manager. See ya. I am gonna go to bed. That was kind of dangerous. Then once it's daytime, that skeleton will burn, no matter what. I should make some torches to light up that area. I really should. Oh, speaking about torches, we need to cover up this area because I'm making like a massive storage room. I'm just gonna smelt ancient debris in there. Still wood in here. Those sticks. Take some sticks. Sticks and stones will make a level in Minecraft. So yeah, that's kind of it for today's video. Like, I don't really know what to do. I don't know. But let's make some gold booties so we can get protected from the piglins. My booties. Did we enchant it? Should we? What is the enchant? I'll just see what's the enchant. Gold booties. Feather. Oh, yes. Yes, please. Yes, Plazomas. I'm actually gonna grind levels. Like a few levels. So yeah, if you didn't smash the like button, didn't really do that much. We just got a mending fishing rod, mending and breaking 3. Look at the C2. So yeah, and it was my first time. So yeah, if you didn't smash the like button, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.